Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enter safe mode in Galaxy A06 device. So for entering the safe mode, guys, first of all you have to long press the power button. After that, guys, just press power off button for the long time. So as you see, we have an option of a safe mode here. Now all you guys have to do just tap on the safe mode so that your phone will be entered on the safe mode. So let's see. Okay, so as you see, guys, the phone is now on the safe mode, and here it is already mentioned about the safe mode. And let's see the application. Some of the application are now disabled. So guys, that's how we can enter in the safe mode. And if you want to exit from the safe mode, all you guys have to do just restart your phone and you are now exit from the safe mode. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.